All right, here we go. What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel, guys. It is Friday, so you know what that means. It's not raining outside. We are going back to the drag strip. Now, it is hot, it is humid. The DA is a little over 3,100 right now, but we're going to go out there. We know we're not going to run our best time ever, but however, we are going to go out there and have a little fun tonight. But really quick, I want to show you this car. I just got done with it, the tune for Daryl out at Wengerd Performance and getting everything right. The customer came in, it had a Pro Charger P1X stage 2 kit already installed, but he wanted to change up some things, and he also wanted to correct some things in the car that needed correcting. We had to go in. It's got a Barton shifter, had a few things going on with it that wasn't right. We got that sorted out and fixed that. Some exhaust stuff we got fixed for him, and then some stuff with the Pro Charger installed that we got tidied up and fixed for him. But we went ahead and took the 475 pulley off and put a 4.5 pulley on. We put in 1050X injectors. I know it's a little too much right now for what he needs, but he's planning on going with the fuel system in the future and pulling down again. So instead of spending money twice, spend money once. Go ahead and put the 1050s in there and be ready for when he goes fuel system, so he doesn't have to spend the money twice on injectors. So we did the 4.5 pulley, we did 1050X injectors, we did a VMP booster pump and all that, so he could run. Got it, everything dialed in, everything's ready to rock. So this is going back to the customer in the morning. He's coming to pick it up all the way down in Alabama. But anyway, guys, we're gonna get my car in here. We're gonna get the drag wheel swapped out, and we're gonna get ready to go to the drag strip and have a little fun. All right, guys, we are about to make our first pass down the drag strip. It is packed out here. They are having a pretty good sized race tomorrow, so everybody's out here testing. Are you serious, Chris? There we go. All right, I think we got a personal best that time, guys. Yes, sir. Looking at the draggy, I think we got it.
30, 60.
There we go. All right, here we go. 687 at 105 with a 16260. So there we go. 687. Man, not bad at all. Especially it's 2500 DA tonight. 2500 DA, and it ran a 687. Very, very happy with it. All right, so as you seen in the video, I did run a 687 at 105 with a 16260, and right at 2500 DA. I did not expect, as you've seen in the very front of the video, I did not expect a personal best out of that weather. So the car did extremely well. Now, I only got one pass that night because we were literally there. We got there. It was a big race the next day. I got in line, got a pass in. It took me about 35-40 minutes to make my first pass. And then I pulled back, let the car cool down. Chris went back and got in line again to run, and he literally sat there for another 40-something minutes, wasn't able to run. Like I said, big night testing there because they had the race the next day. So it is what it is, but we had fun. We made a pass. We got to go back the next night with Boosted 931, RJ, and a couple of other guys, and here's some clips from that night. as you can see, a lot of quick cars at the drag strip Saturday night for the race. I did not run my car, and the main reason being is because the owner of the Pro Charge car was picking his car up Saturday afternoon, and I would have not had the time to get to the drag strip and get everything set up to be able to race. So I went down there, hung out with Booster 931 and a couple other guys, had an absolute blast out there. Stayed out there. The race ended like I believe 2:30, 3 o'clock in the morning. So late night. I had an absolute blast though. But if some of you are on my Facebook page, you know that I have put the S550 up for sale. Now, I will say this, guys. I put the S550 up for sale to see if it would sell. The reason being is I have picked up something else, and it is going to be a build on the channel, an ongoing thing. It's going to be pretty cool. Something I have never done on the channel before. I wanted to, but I've not done. And be honest with you, selling the S550 would free up some funds and would also let me focus more on that car, because I am so busy out at the shop. I do have my nights and weekends back, and that's where I will be here and there working on the other vehicle. But I am slammed in the shop, so I don't have a lot of time for my personal vehicles. So that being said, keeping the S550, keeping the car I just bought, and I do have another car that I have not brought on the channel, and the reason being is because I'm not sure what's going on with it. And if I bring it on the channel, sometimes you guys get a little attached to it and kind of hate on me a little bit when I go to get rid of it. So until I know that that vehicle is not going anywhere, I'm kind of leaving that car in limbo. But the other car will be in the next video. I will bring you and let you see what I got. It's something that's never been on the channel before. So anyway, guys, like I said, guys, I'm always looking to have fun. And you know, one thing that everybody has to realize is that yes, I have a YouTube channel. And yes, I put videos out for you guys. And yes, I do. When I bought that car, I had no intentions of letting it go. But things come up for sale, things happen, and you change your mind. We are all entitled to that. So just remember, when you're bashing a YouTuber for getting rid of something, saying, well, why are you doing this? Just remember that he's a human just like you, and he has things that he wants to do with his life, things that he wants to buy and enjoy. And sometimes we change our mind, we move a different direction. But who knows? Maybe the S550 won't sell because I'm really firm on my price. Maybe it won't sell. Maybe we'll keep it around. Maybe we'll just take the Whipple off, sell the Whipple, free up some funds there, and just let the car stay in A, and then revisit it in the future. I'm not sure what's going to happen. But guys, all I do know is we're going to have an absolute blast. The shop is doing really well. Huge shout out to all my customers, all you guys that watch the channel and then come here to be a customer. I really do appreciate it. It means a lot. It really does. But guys, I'm gonna get out of here. Remember, all the information for the shop's down in the description, and we'll see you next time.